Hello, I am Dr. Fatima bin Fahim. I have done BLS Basic Life Support course from Physicomedia Clinic, which was hosted and presented by Dr. Mariam Tahir, who is director and CEO of this clinic. And it consisted of two parts. One was theoretical, the other was practical part, and it was completely online, so it is highly accessible for people like me who have work from the morning till the evening. And this course give me the basic insights, how to give the basic life support to the person, how to do CPR, how to observe that there is a clinical situation danger, and how to call the emergency. And it also helped me in learning the basic life support for pediatrics as well. And it also give inside the recent insights of the basic life support, not the old one but the recent rules and regulation, and how to use the AED machine and how to do CPR on the people. And it also give me insight of how two people can give CPR at the same time, so how can I change roles with the other people. At the end it was MCQ assessment, so that your presence and understanding will be evaluated. And they also supported me with all the worksheets and extra notes which I can take for the future. And if in the future I will need, I will just revise that. So I will recommend this course to everyone for their continuous professional development, and it is a very great opportunity. So everyone should try this course. Thank you very much.